everyone, welcome back to the another episode of UiPath Apps Zero to Hero series. Today we are introducing a revolutionary feature that will change the way you build apps. That is UiPath Autopilot for UiPath apps. Imagine being able to create an entire app components by simply describing what you actually need in a plain text. No coding, no complex setup, just describe it and Autopilot brings it to the life. In this video, we'll show you how to create a fully functional login page using only a few lines of text. Let's dive right in. On the screen, you can see there is an option called Generate with Autopilot available with the UiPath apps. So there you'll get an option to generate your app with different forms. So here you can provide a description or image or a PDF, or again there are some templates are already there, just like employee info collection app, then form with name, email, and other fields, then lead capture app, then app from entity. So there are multiple templates are available. So what exactly is Autopilot? Autopilot is an AI powered feature in UiPath that allows you to create apps by providing a plain text description or whatever you are going to feed. No manual configurations or no coding required. Just you need to provide some description or an image or a PDF, and Autopilot will generate the app for you. Today, in this video, we are going to build a login page with the Autopilot by description only. So let's begin. Today, we will provide one description. I have one prompt already ready. So I am going to provide this prompt. Create a login page with two input fields, username and password. The username field should accept text and the password field should marks the input. Below the fields, add a button labeled login and the center it on the page. So this is how I am going to provide a prompt to Autopilot. Based on this prompt, Autopilot will generate an app for me. I'll copy this prompt and I'll come to the generate with Autopilot, and here in this drop a PDF image or describe the app you would like to create. Here I'll paste the prompt that I have in Notepad. After that, what I'll do is I just simply click on send button. After I clicked on the send button, then it will generate the layout, it will generate the pages and controls in backend, and fully functional app will be ready for us. So here you can see we have login page with username, password, and then login button. Then we have forward password, and then it has added another text box, but that we can refine. It's not a thing like after we have given a prompt to Autopilot and Autopilot has created an app for me. So after creation also we can modify the entire app anytime. So now you can see it has added the extra message called login successful. So this login successful we want to add in a event. So when we click on the login button, it should be showed as a message to a user instead of coming over here. So I want to add a rule after I clicked on login. So for that, what I'll do is I'll go to the login page, and here you can see I have login message. So simply I'll delete this one because I don't want, and I want to add a rule after I clicked on the login button. So I'll go to the login and in its properties, the events, I'll click on create rule, and here I can use the show message. Here I can provide the title called login, then I'll provide the message called login successful. Okay, that's it. And if I preview this app right now, optimizing for preview, and my app will be launched. Now you can see I have a login page. I can provide a username, then password, and I can click on login. After that, I'm getting a login successful message as well. Currently there is no validation added on the password field. Password is not getting masked. That modification we can do in the UiPath App Studio itself. So this is how Autopilot allows you to quickly build fully functional app components like login page or different file uploader without any coding knowledge or no manual setup. Just describe what you need and UiPath does the rest. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell notification and stay updated with more episodes in our UiPath Apps Zero to Hero series. In the next episode, we are going to explore how we can build an app using a PDF input to Autopilot. Until then, thanks for watching and happy automation.